Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's recipe, I'm going to do some chicken stuffed pasta shells. Now this is not a Caribbean recipe. It is a quick and simple recipe for those nights when you don't have as much time and you need to whip up something quick for your family or even just for yourself. So I'm gonna start with what I'm using. I'll be using some Parmesan cheese. Now this one has Parmesan and Romano. I'll be using some sour cream, oregano leaves. Here I have some pasta sauce. I got the meat flavored pasta sauce. I just like the meat flavored instead of just the plain one. I have 1 egg, 4 cloves of garlic that I grated. I have a mixture of salt, sea salt and pepper, black pepper here. Here I have my ricotta cheese. I'll be putting measurements at the bottom. Some parsley that I chopped. Some mozzarella cheese that I grated. I'll be using cream cheese as well. And I have another type of mozzarella. And my jumbo pasta shells. And for the chicken, I'm using shredded chicken. So for seasoning up the chicken that I'll be using for shredded chicken, I use this Montreal chicken seasoning. Now I got this at Sam's Club, and I also use some paprika. Now this seasoning has pretty much everything. So it says here that it has garlic, onion, salt, spices and herbs including black pepper, parsley, red pepper and paprika. It has green bell peppers, orange peel. Yes, so I just added the paprika just for the color here, but it already has some in here. And I'm going to be putting this into my Instant Pot, my instant pressure cooker, and with 1 cup of water, and have it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'll check to see if it needs more time. I'll be right back. So I'm now going in with the water. I'm gonna cover this up. And then now I'm gonna set the time. I'm gonna hit manual. I'm just gonna put it for 20 minutes initially, and I'll check it again after. Now in this pot, I've put a few cups of water with some salt, and I'm just gonna be adding the jumbo pasta shells to it. Now I'm gonna add just a dash of olive oil to the water, just so that it doesn't stick together. Now you can use butter as well. Okay, just a dash. And now I'm gonna go in with my pasta shells. So I added 3 more cups of water. So on the box it says 10 to 15 minutes, but I do not want it fully cooked because it does have to go back into the oven. So I am going to cook it for approximately 10 minutes. And I'll be right back once it's done. Okay guys, so whilst the pasta is cooking, I'm going to start with the cheese sauce. Well, the cheese, it's more like a spread than a sauce. So I'm gonna go in with my ricotta cheese. Nice. Followed by my cream cheese. Now it is softened cream cheese. So I grated half of this mozzarella cheese and I added it. And I'm just going to add in some of this, not all, because I do have to add a top layer. Just going in with a small amount. Now I'm going to go in with my garlic. And my parsley. I leave a little bit for topping. Next I'm going to go in with my Parmesan. Now I do like mine cheesy. And next I'm going to be going in with the sour cream. Just for a little boost. Followed by some oregano. Next I'm going in with my 1 egg. And last but not least, my salt and pepper. Now because the Parmesan cheese tends to have a little bit more salt, I'm not going to go in too heavy with the salt. And this is the finished product for the stuffing. As far as the cheese, I'll be shredding the chicken next and putting it all into one container. So what I'm gonna be doing, because when I put it in with the spoon, I find it's a little bit messy. So what I'm gonna do is put it into a Ziploc bag and put a hole at the end and squeeze this cheese mixture into that shell. That way I can start piping it into the shells. So I am going to start with a layer of my pasta sauce. Okay. Okay. So you're just going to open it slightly with your 2 fingers and pretty much just fill it. Okay guys, so I'm going to go in with another layer of that pasta sauce. Now I don't like mine really drenched like that. And I top it up with a thin layer of the mozzarella cheese and Parmesan cheese. Because I am going to put another layer on there. Okay, and it's gonna go in the oven. My oven is at 350 degrees. I'm gonna also cover it with some foil, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this, ooh, this looks so good. Oh my gosh, so good. Okay, so let me just finish putting in that mozzarella and Parmesan cheese on top and put it back into the oven uncovered for about 10 minutes. Okay, back into the oven for 10 minutes. Okay guys, so this is it for my chicken stuffed pasta shells. A little bit hot still. Ooh, Lord. Yes. You all see that? Thanks again for watching. Ooh, look at that string. Oh, Lord. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.